Hello there, folks. This is Mehul back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a widget kind of thing. This is basically a widget that you can include anywhere in your HTML website, in your Webflow website, maybe even in React. Yeah, you can do that as well. So what it does is it takes feedbacks for you, okay, and connect it with your own kind of database or when webhook. Like they have kept it really simple, like you can add any of the webhook over here rather than adding a proprietary thing like most of the form platform does. Like they give you the link for which to add, and rather than that it will not work. This is not nothing like that, but you can add any of the webhook that you might have in any of the platform that you want to save it. You can do that, totally do that. So let's just jump into the video and I will explain more about it in the video itself. So let's go straight to the video. So here is our today's product, that is feedback fin. Okay, and it's simply to like totally simple to use a widget plugin. And you see, click here to try. As you can see, this is the feedback. So they have like made that button over here, so you can create any of the button that you like to get triggered whenever it plays. Okay, and as you can see, you can click on any of the things. Like if you have an issue, you can send a feedback regarding issue. You can select an idea, you can select others. Obviously you can customize them, I think. Obviously I haven't tried it yet, but oh wait, I think you can't customize them. It's a script. Oh, maybe or maybe not. As this is open source, you can use this any way you want. So you can make changes in the platform as like in the code as well as you wish. Okay, so it really doesn't matter over there. But yeah, actually let me show you the product. Through that I will explain you everything. So let me go to like get started. So how I'll be doing it? First of all, plug in the widget. So basically you have to add this script tag in your website, and that's about it. About like adding that into your page. Then obviously add a button, and or the button will like call back the function, right? Yeah, the button will like, here you can see button data feedback button feedback, and here it is as well. Okay, then in this portion, like I will obviously explain all of it in this code. So let me just zoom into it. Okay, too much. Okay, not too much, I think. Yeah. So this is the un unpkg like zipped feedback link, like minimized feedback link, not feedback link, script link. And here you have to give a webhook where the script will call. Okay, so it will not like work as any database source. Like you can't add a bare minimum database source here because obviously it is unprotected. Rather than you have to add a webhook over here, and it will call it every time whenever it is get triggered. Okay, so like this, if I'm clicking on this, I'm writing something and I click on send, it will just click on that. What they're right now here they are doing is they have connected it to Roi. Now what is Roi? Roi is basically what, a platform to see your fire store in a great way. Actually, I have made video about Roi already, right? Yes. So Roi makes your fire store data look better. So obviously you can add a form. Like basically what it is, it is a database. That's it. Okay, so you can add any database that have a webhook, and you can connect it over here. I don't know if I will suggest you to use Roi, but they have a tutorial over here which will explain everything how to edit in Roi and all, like do all the stuff there. Okay, but what I what I would suggest, use any of other, like any of the other platforms that will help you to get one link, like one webhook link, and connect through it. Okay, so don't take hustle about Roy, because storing your data into Firestore is like lot more expensive than storing it any other alternative like NocoDB. Yeah, NocoDB will give you a webhook, right? I don't know, NocoDB, Bistro, something like that. Whatever, use whatever, but don't use Firestore, please. It will cost you a lot of money. So actually, that's about it about this widget, how you will use it and all. Okay, see, it's really cool animations there as well. But that's basically it about this, how it will work and how you gonna use it and all. And you can actually customize the button yourself, as you have seen this, like in the previous page as well. They have included that into this button, like click here to see. Obviously you can, like, button is totally up to you, how you want to customize it, where you want to place it, how you want to make it look and feel. That's totally up to you. They are only creating this portion, this feedback taking portion over here, and also like sending it through a webhook. That's it. That's it. That's how simple it is. If you wanna like use it in your website, use it right now. Like, it's no brainer. Okay, it's really easy. I just shared with you how to use it in your website and all, like Webflow, website, portfolio, whatever is customizable, whatever takes iframe, you can use that there, so not a problem at all. So yeah, that's about it about this website, about this whole thing. Let me know where you gonna use it, if you even gonna use it or not. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great kind of what is library, open source project, whatever, you know something about that, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.